Welcome to River Hearth House, a beautiful architectural home designed by Matt Arkey and constructed by our friends from Bluebird Design Build. We're here today to take a look at the finished result of this exquisite property, so come take a look. So it's always wonderful to be invited back to exquisite projects just like River Hearth House. I'm joined here today by Christian from Bluebird Design Build. Christian, you've achieved such an amazing result here. Tell me a little bit about the project and what it's been like to include the Plungie in a project like this.
So it's been amazing. We've got plenty of access, so it was great to be able to take advantage of the full site. Being on the Brisbane River, the site floods. So obviously that's one consideration. The first pricing we had back with the original pools was quite considerable, so we had to fix that up and try and make sure that the project fell into the budget of the clients. So obviously Plungie came to mind straight away.
So in looking around this property, Christian, it's obviously beautifully integrated in with the Brisbane River. We've got the old fireplace and of course the Plungie, really setting up some really beautiful design elements there. Walk us through, some of those considerations.
Yes, as you mentioned, there's the existing fireplace, which was the only thing left of the house, the original house. So we've tied that into the existing house by using a lot of brick, which was already on there, and then we've matched that in, and then a lot of new concrete as well to tie that fireplace in as well, which then works well with the Plungie because they've got the precast finish on the outside, and then we've tied the brick in on the sides just to make sure it's all integrated.
On that note, let's go take a look at the Plungie. So Christian, some really unique design elements here in the way that you've integrated this Plungie into this project. Tell me a little bit about some of the concepts you've done here.
Yeah, so as you can see, we've got this little ledge that leads up to the pool. We've got the eco finish on the inside, and then we've got a 100 by 100 tile going around the waterband just to finish it off a little bit nicer.
Yeah.
And then obviously we've integrated the skimmer box in there with the bricks just so everything's hidden.
The hide skim's a lovely addition to a project like this to really finish that off, and you'd hardly know it was there.
That's it.
And obviously working with a precast solution like Plungie, you've really taken full advantage of being able to integrate that into this multi-tiered living.
Yeah, that's it. So the pool sits up out of the ground and you can see it from the master bedroom. Got the kitchen behind us and then also the lounge room, so it's always great to have the water reflecting up into those living areas.
For sure, and you sit here and look out across the Brisbane River there, it's a magical spot.
It is, it's great. Basically that little, at the end there, the infinity end there, you can have a beer and enjoy it.
And I'm sure with summer just around the corner, the lucky new owners of this property are going to really enjoy the pool area, looking out over the beautiful Brisbane River.
That's the plan.